Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can redeem Capital One rewards. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that your country actually has Capital One or supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're on your Capital website, what you will have to do is fill out your username, your password, and then you will just have to click sign in. And once you've signed into your account, what you will have to do is proceed to the reward section. So it's basically it should be right here under the credit cards section or somewhere else. So it really depends on the layout of your website. So after you see the rewards option, what you will have to do is basically just click redeem, and then once you redeem it, by the way, you could also browse available redemption options like statement credit, travel gift cards, or pay with PayPal. So which is right here. You have rewards that you could actually choose from. You could choose business rewards, student rewards, travel rewards, cashback rewards. So yeah, there are a lot of rewards, and it's really up to you what kind of rewards that you would want to redeem. And yeah, after that, you will just have to click redeem, and then after you click redeem, you will confirm the amount of rewards that you would want to use, and then tap confirm. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it did help. And if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.